If you're looking for a great value in a really nice late model four-wheel drive truck, look no farther than Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. This is Jeff, and today I'd like to show you this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Crew Cab four-wheel drive Z71 with the RST package. It's beautiful. Around back, corner assist steps, dual exhaust, factory tow package, auxiliary hitch lighting, backup camera, power up and down tailgate, factory spray-in bed liner, a 120 household outlet, LED bed lights, 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires. More than enough for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to rear heating and air vents, dual USB charging ports, and another 120 household outlet. It's sterling gray metallic with jet black interior, tinted windows, color key door handles, contrasting black mirror caps, part of that RST package. Factory wheel-to-wheel step bars, Z71 badge on the fender. LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights down below. Tow hooks, part of your Z71 package. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. 3 across seating with a fold-down armrest gives you a 6-passenger capability. Power seat, factory all-weather mats throughout. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Electronic parking brake, 4-wheel drive controls, tow haul mode. Cargo light controls, fog light controls, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got audio controls, cruise, a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, and trip computer functions. Only 15,000 one-owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Connected Google navigation, backup camera. Lane keep, power tailgate controls, traction control, downhill assist. Push button start. Factory integrated trailer brakes, dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger, and more USB ports. Keyless entry key fob, including remote start, power tailgate controls, Carfax vehicle history report, and OnStar located in your overhead console. If you'd like to know more about this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Crew Cab RST Z71 4x4, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.